Make sure you have verified your Tonik account before transferring money. Then go to Top Up and choose Online. Here you have several options to choose from, but choose Unionbank. Enter the amount and click Next. Check Agree to the terms and conditions and continue. You will be directed to the Unionbank login page. Log in with your account. Enter your one-time password sent to your mobile. And then click Authorize. And in just minutes, the money will be transferred.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe also. For any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching.